Hey guys, it's Rainbow Scout here, and today it's New Year's Eve, so I might as well draw something special. So today you're going to learn how to draw fireworks. Don't mind the noise in the background. I have a friend over and they're playing Super Smash Brothers on the Wii U. So first, you can pause the video anytime you want to. So. This might be a little cartoony, so this will be a short episode because it's New Year's. I'm recording at 11:11.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Just recording how to draw. I need new paper. I messed up.
What happened? Where's your paper? Need this?
But now I'm just trying new paper. Oh. I didn't know that was even that. No. So you want to start with the little tip. Then you want to go down.
Is your name E-M-E-R-O? Or how do you say it?
E-M-E-R-Y.
E-M what?
E-R-Y. So then you so you go down. Then you want to like curve a little bit. Then you want to
Hey!
go back.
Hey, girl. Hey, does Brian's mom signal is like, hey, Melissa! Brian need groceries! Brian needs to go to the grocery store. He needs a plane ticket. Walmart trip to grocery store for Brian. Brian!
So she says his name over and over again. It's ridiculous.
Amy! Hey, Melissa! No, he's on the phone and he's like, not wanting to talk because he never wants to talk to her. And he's speakerphone. He's like, all right, Mom, I gotta go. Okay, well, let me go because I gotta go get some groceries. All right, Mom, I gotta go. All right, well, let me go, Brian, because I gotta go to the groceries. All right, Brian. All right, Mom, I gotta go. All right, Brian, well, just let me go. That's what he says. That she loves to say his name, like Brian.
Over and over.
Brian. But he'll be like, I need to go, and she'll be like, okay, let me go, and then he'll be like, all right, Mom, I'm gonna go now. All right, Brian, I gotta go now.
They'll sit there in awkward silence.
Yes.
Like, y'all
It is weird. I was like, I could see it, Melissa. I don't think she likes me anymore, but
I don't even think I'm
Melissa,
recording
he
here.
needs to buy groceries. He needs protein. She's like, oh God, Brian, don't tell me this.
Oh, God.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, God, Brian.
And we're like those twins. Oh God, Brian.
Like you can see her, like she's in the cabinet. Oh God, Brian.
She's shorter than you.
Oh yeah.
But I just see
She's four.
Bobby's mom. Oh my gosh.
She sounds
Y'all
like-
fun? Where'd you go?
We just went to Ziggy's. It was,
You did?
Yeah.
It's actually.
Red.
Yeah, that's
He gets this thing. He gets this thing that like his face will turn red. Color and
You're so loud.
Yeah, they are so loud, especially when I'm recording.
No.
What?
I'm recording. Since it's
He's
New
not
Year's, I'm recording how to
No,
draw
they
fireworks.
like chemistry.
We never.
They're probably bros, because.
No, I don't see that. I see it with her, but I don't see it with him. She said, but hey, I was
your other one's right there asleep.
I just told Cousin. Oh goodness.
Right there.
Oh,
She just
my-
went over there and just passed out, didn't she?
My angel.
My angel's asleep.
Mackenzie. I'm all of a sudden from, where is Brian from? New York? I'm from New York.
It was so quiet until you stepped in the door.
Right? Like, on the way. Like, she's like, you guys are working out. He wants you to see his golden tooth. You got a gold tooth? Cool, let me see. He was so good, too, at the dentist. He's like a champ. That's pretty cool. Champ.
Silver, not gold.
Yeah, that's cool. My tooth's fake, like this one. But if y'all need a kid doctor in Glenwood,
Yeah.
like welfare, yeah.
So I
The
just
best
did
doctor
this.
I've ever gone to. His name is Gunnar Hagen at Surfside Dentist. The best pediatric dentist you'll ever meet in your life.
Yeah,
I'm
you
gonna
gotta
start
go
going
to
to dentist too in Brunswick. I'm gonna start calling all my doctors in Brunswick. My doctor called me the other day, so I'm not kidding. Do I look okay? Yeah, you know,
Then if
beautiful.
you just wanted to do
y'all
some
care?
more shading.
No, they're fine. We
They've been really good at a dance party. Did you get that message? I sent you a video.
No, I didn't get that. My phone.
God bless you.
My phone's dead.
Brian, I said my phone's about to die. He said, I see your phone hasn't died yet because I keep on texting him.
No, I went to the doc. Well, you know, I had the IUD put in, and I called him, and it was like, and well, I was supposed to have my follow up for like the ultrasound or whatever yesterday.
Yeah.
And they were like, well, they called me the day before. Well, it's gonna be $185 for this ultrasound. I was like, well, y'all could have called me way before the day before.
Yeah,
Basically, what they were doing, they were trying to get money,
exactly.
right? And I said, well, I'm not gonna come then.
I don't even know what's right now.
Well, I told them I'm not coming, and they called me back and they said, "Oh, well, insurance is gonna cover it because it's a follow-up." I was like, "Yeah, all of a sudden they're gonna cover it.
Exactly.
It's a follow-up."
Because you said something about it.
Because I said I'm not coming.
Right.
That's what I said. They probably see who agrees to pay him without
Right.
no questions
Exactly.
asked first.
Exactly.
Yeah, no, they do. And then it wouldn't go to my deductible, and then I'd be calling them back like, "Bruh, where's that $185 that was supposed to go to my deductible?"
He did the best compliment about you. I said, "Is your
About
mom
me?
still making wax?" He goes, "Mom doesn't give up." I was like, "It's my child."
You're right.
But,
She doesn't.
but that was the best thing. That's a good compliment.
That is a good compliment.
Mom
I'm glad
doesn't-
you see
Mom
that,
doesn't give
Mom.
up. He sees that in you, and that's a great reflection. Like that's awesome.
Do you see that?
It's
Don't
great.
Constantly keep going.
Hey, where is he gonna sleep?
Oh, we got futons in bed.
He'll be okay. I mean,
So
I'll
let's
come
see
back.
what next week-
Jackson,
Great.
I'll come back. Okay.
Jackson, gonna sleep in your futon?
You said you wanted to sleep on the
They have
couch.
their medicine, their
Sleep on the
sleeping
futon.
time. Good
Fine.
time.
Yeah, no, we got like futon.
Yeah, make sure you get your futon nice and set up for him, Brett.
Okay.
They've got futons and everything else.
So y'all
You
okay
go
if I
have-
go?
Yeah.
I thought
Thank you. No, we're good.
he said he's
I
at
gotta
home.
get
So.
mine. Where's my champagne you brought?